Hello guys, welcome back to Bosolo Wise. You know what it is, yeah. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on the popular survey and money making platform, which is Swagbucks. Yes. So I'm making the video because on one of my video where I talk about how to make money using Swagbucks, yes, where I made mention of different platform you can make money on, and I made mention on Swagbucks. Someone in the comment section asked how can they start up on Swagbucks, so that's why I decided that okay, let me come up and make this video. So in this video I'll be teaching on how you can start up on Swagbucks, yes, how to register, how to take surveys, yes, other ways in which you can make money on Swagbucks, yes, how to position yourself well on the platform, and things you must not do if you really want to get maximum result out of it, and if you don't want your account to be terminated. So I would like you to stay tuned to the end of the video so that you won't miss any of the things that I will be saying, because one step might lead to you not getting the full result out of the platform. So if today's your first time coming across my video, my name is Solo Wise. On this channel I teach about content creation, YouTube growth, and also how to make money online. That's what I teach on this channel. And if you are not yet subscribed, then I advise you to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, and also make sure you like this video so that anytime a video just like this one, you will get notified. And also I also like to let you know that I have a Telegram and WhatsApp channel where I drop daily updates on how you can make money online, how different skills, the free courses. I drop them on my Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So if you're not yet part of my WhatsApp Telegram channel, the link is in my description. I would like you to go to my description, click the link, and join the family so that you won't miss out on any of my updates. Okay guys, so without more further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you just have to do is to go to your browser and search for Swagbucks. You can either use your browser to search for it, or you can go to my Telegram channel. I drop the link on my Telegram channel. You can use the link to sign up. So if you are using your browser, once you search for it, the first link here, that is what you click, the first one that show up, click on it, and this page will open up for you to sign up your account. So right now, the first thing I just have to do here is to check that checkbox. Yes, click the checkbox, and over here I continue with my email. Yes, I'll be using my email to sign up, then just for me to just input my email and stuff like that. So I'll be pausing the video to do that. So once I'm done with creating my account, putting my email and the other stuff, just click on create account and wait for it to load up. Yes, it's still loading. Let's just wait for it. So once it have loaded up, it will bring you to this page. Yes, like over here you can see that is 100 SB is equals to $1, which is 100 Swagbucks equals to $1, because they use Swagbucks to represent the amount you make. So to get your fixed SB, what you just have to do is to confirm your email. Yes, as you can see at the top, you say confirm your email. Just click on it and you can see your confirmation email have been sent. It's for you to now go to your email. So when I got to my email, I saw this message saying verify. Just click on the verify and wait for my dashboard to load up. Once verified, you can see congratulations, you have earned your first SB, your 1 SB. Yes, so now it's time for us to take our first survey. Just click on take your first survey, then you make sure to read all the rules, their terms and conditions before you even start. Yes, make sure you read and agree before you start up anything. Once you agree with their terms and conditions, they will bring you to your first survey where you just have to answer all their questions. Make sure you answer their question correctly. Yeah, it's just simple question, it's not that hard. Just for you to answer your question correctly. I won't be answering right, because if I should answer it, start answering now, the video is too long, so I'll just skip this part. So once you are done, this page will pop up, good job, survey unlock, which means that you can start doing the mail survey right now. Just for you to just click that get started at the down, that get started, just click on it. Over here is the place that your surveys will be showing. Yes, so it's just for you to just always come up, show up every day. New surveys come up, just for you to come and check and know which one is best for you. So once you do any survey, then the amount of that on those surveys, you will be getting it. So another ways to make money on this platform is through games. Yes, playing of games. Just as you can see here, there are a lot of games, and it's through the games that you can really make money from this platform. Yes, apart from the survey, playing of game is the other way. In fact, the best ways to make money from this platform. But I will let you know that it takes time. Yes, you can see it can take time for you to complete the games, but that is where you can make real money from it. You can see there are lots of games over here which you can choose from and play. Yeah, fantastic games. Yes, I've tried art more. So for those of you that love playing Candy Crush and all those kind of game, yes, this is a good platform for you to start up. Yes, you can really make money from it. Yes. So if you click on more, you will see a lot of other ways to make money from this platform, like redeem SB, you throw this thing, swag up, daily bonus, that if you sign up daily, a lot of other ways, and also refer. Yes, if you refer people, you will still get paid for it. Yeah, so to withdraw your money, there are ways to withdraw your money. One popular way for you to withdraw your money from this platform is through the use of gift card. You can use paper, but most time, especially us in Nigeria that don't have access to paper, we normally use gift card. There are a lot of gift cards just for you to just turn your SB, your Swagbucks token to gift card, and you use it for anything. Use it to shop online and even sell it and get the money. So that is ways to withdraw your money from this platform. There are a lot of a gift card. If you keep on scrolling, there are a lot of gift card for you to choose from. You choose the one that suits you best. So that is just everything that like I just said, that is how to start, how to make money, what you should do, different ways to make money, how to get surveys, and what you should not do if you really want to get marginal results. Yeah, so if you really enjoyed the video, then don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, like video, turn notification bell, and make sure that you stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.